Hi, I'm Lokesh Jain. I take care of Competence Center for Condition Monitoring with Global Railways. I have worked with SKF since last 10 years in different industrial segments. With Railways since last 5 years, and now I enjoy supporting customers worldwide to find problems in their rotating equipment and support them with SKF solutions. So let's speak about one critical track defect which often gets unnoticed and how to detect it. Railway operators check their tracks for multiple issues like loose bolts, gravel issues, crack, misalignments. They often check their tracks for loose fasteners, damaged sleepers, and even vegetation growth. One thing which often gets unnoticed or overlooked is the defects on the track surface. Over a period of time, the shocks from these defects can damage the moving train. With this, the life of the train goes down. With SKF track monitoring solution, we can identify the exact location of these defects with using the same vibration sensors which are monitoring your wheel set bearings. It means the track can be monitored easily, automatically, and using the same sensors which are monitoring the wheel set bearings. It not only tells you the location of the shock, but also tells you whether it is from the left track or the right track. So with SKF track monitoring solutions, your trains become more safer. Let's speak about how data can help you in finding the problems in your wheel sets, drive systems, or any rotating equipment on the train. The biggest challenge for a maintenance team is not fixing the problem, it's finding it. Too much time gets lost in finding what is going wrong. So if there is right data, that's where data analysis can make the difference. Monitoring systems generate mountain of data, but this raw data alone is useless. You need expertise to turn these data into some actionable inputs. SKF, with its decades of expertise, can transform this data into very specific inputs and action points for you. It's easy to understand as insights get published on a dashboard. The dashboard, it can be accessed from any connected device. What you get is not only very dedicated inputs, but insights on how the maintenance can be improved. Be it your wheel set, traction motor, or gearbox, you get very pointed insights. So with SKF condition monitoring solutions, maintenance teams don't just chase problems, they solve it. There are two questions which I hear regularly for SKF's condition monitoring solutions. One, what is the difference between Insight Rail and IMX Rail? And second, when to use which solution? So let's start with SKF Insight Rail. This is a wireless solution which can monitor outboard bearings and can identify wheel flaps. It's perfect for aftermarket installations and is suitable for applications where trains run above a steady speed of 50 km per hour, like a regional train, commuter train, or a mainline application. But keep in mind, this solution is not suitable for metro, tram application, or underground application, and it cannot identify defects in traction motor, gearbox, or any other rotating equipment. Now let's talk about SKF IMX Rail. IMX Rail is a wired, multi-sensor, high-end solution which can monitor almost everything in the train, be it wheel set, traction motor, gearbox, compressor, or any rotating equipment. This solution is suitable for OEM or operator who are looking for a comprehensive maintenance of the entire train. So Insight Rail is a wireless solution for aftermarket applications, wheel set bearings, and is suitable for steady speed conditions. IMX Rail is a wired solution which can monitor everything from your wheel set bearing to traction motors, and the most important is track conditions. So when to use which solution? Let's say you are retrofitting an existing fleet, want something quick, and want to monitor only wheel set bearings, go for Insight Rail. Let's say you are building a new fleet, or you want to monitor every rotating equipment from wheel set to motors and track conditions, go for IMX Rail. So to summarize, SKF offers powerful condition monitoring solutions which can help the OEMs, operators, or maintenance partners to reduce their downtime, identify defect at a very early stage, or extend the life of their rolling stock. With Insight Rail and IMX Rail, SKF has solutions which fit the needs of every operator. Does it make sense to have multiple condition monitoring systems at a bogie level? Well, it depends on the operator's requirement. Nevertheless, SKF's IMX Rail solution can do it all. What makes sense is having one system for all, and that's exactly what SKF IMX Rail delivers. A bogie has multiple subsystems: traction motor, brakes, gearbox, pneumatics, oil level. Each asset is giving signal about its health. Instead of juggling with multiple systems, IMX Rail can do it all. IMX Rail can accept data from SKF certified sensors and even third-party sensors, bringing all this data to one powerful monitoring platform. From oil levels to temperature to pressure and to electric current, IMX not only collects data but transforms these data into clear insights. And on the cloud, these insights grow richer every day, helping the operators to act reliably, act faster, and improve the life of their rolling stock. IMX Rail is not just another monitoring tool. It's a one-stop solution that simplifies complexity and drives smarter solutions across the bogie. Let's talk about how doing a pilot with SKF condition monitoring solutions can work. Think of a pilot like a test drive vehicle to Mars. We are not there yet, but just checking if everything works well, including the coffee machine. But jokes apart, pilots are not that complicated. We check the digital integration possibilities and all the mechanical feasibilities before the full rollout. I generally recommend a 90-day time frame for doing a pilot with either of our systems, SKF Insight Rail or IMX Rail, or both of them together. Data starts right from the beginning and there is no learning period. So no matter if you want to prolong the life of your rolling stock, increase the maintenance intervals, or you want to identify the defects much in advance, a small pilot can kickstart the process. Pilots are a great way to explore the value of SKF's condition monitoring solutions and what differences these solutions bring. Pilots are designed to be low risk and can scale up quickly. So if you are interested to roll a pilot, feel free to connect and let us know.